How to make coaching consulting website on Wix. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create a website on Wix.com. As you can so it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. Firstly, you need to create an account or log into your account on Wix.com. As you can see, I already did it. I'm in my account. So guys, feel free to create an account on Wix.com because it's completely free. You just need to use your email address and create a suitable password. So the next step, we need to click this blue button here, create new site. And we will be redirected to another page here, Wix site creation. Now we're choosing setup without chat. And now we need to choose what type of website do we want to create. So as you remember, we need to create a website for coaching or consulting. So type whatever you want, whatever you need. Like if we type in coaching, we have such variants like coaching forum, coaching blog, coaching landing page, coaching professional, self-development coach, relationship coach. So basically a lot of variants, as you can see. And also you can choose consulting. And create a site for consulting agency, consulting blogger, consulting landing page, consulting site coming soon, strategy consulting firm, information technology consulting firm, political consulting agency. So basically a lot of variants also. So I will just choose this one. I don't know why. I just want to choose this one, coaching professional. Yes, and click continue button, and this will help Wix.com create a dashboard. You can see it's loading. Dashboard is a perfect tool for creating websites. So the next step, we need to create a name for website. Yes, I will just use this one, example one, just to show you and move on. And also here we need to answer about address. I will skip this one. The same one about this one, set your default working hours. So set up how you want, how you need. I will skip this one. And here you can adding some services for your website, or also create a new service here. So here we have such services as live coaching session, initial consultation, career coaching session, discovery call, virtual consultation, build a wellness plan, returned client session, crisis management, or create new service. For example, I will just choose this one and move on. Here you can also choose some functions you can add to your website. For example, accept online payments, sell digital and physical products, accept in-person payments, manage your services and bookings on the go. Useful tools. Now we are back to our dashboard, and we can see that we still have 5 steps to fill in so that we can have our website. However, I'm sure every user will be able to fill in all of those. That's pretty simple. Meanwhile, we will move straight to this point, design your website. Also, this button is here. So now we need to decide exactly how we want to design our website. Pick a template or generate a design with the help of AI. I will choose this one because I really like to browse thousands of designs and pick one to customize. Wix website have a plenty of nice templates. For example, this one or this one. Like, guys, choose whatever you want here, and whatever you think suits your business, maybe to your person. So I like this one. You can click this button view to check this out, and if you like this site, this template, basically click this edit the site button and you will be redirected to Wix website editor. Wix website editor is the best option to create a website because you don't need to know any of programming languages such as Python, C++, maybe Java. You just use another website for creating your own website. This I think the best about Wix.com, and I highly recommend you to try this site, to try to create your own website here. This is the best and easy option. Now we need to wait until everything loads. Almost there. And now everything is ready. Now we can move on the most interesting part. You can edit almost everything here. Here we can select which page we are on our site. You can see our site have such pages as home, publications, programs, blog, book, doctor, events. I think we need to change the name of the site. Why Dr. Evans? I don't know. Book online, site card, service page, booking calendar. You can manage these pages here. For example, you want to delete some pages, or like you can move them, move the order of the pages. Here you can delete it, show in menu, hide it from menu, rename, change link, add new page here. And in the left you have such functions as add elements, add section, pages and menu. Basically this is the same one here. As you can see, site design, add apps, my business, media, CMS. And also you can see how our site is divided into several parts. From header to footer here. Also we have such sections as welcome section, about section, decorative section, featured product section, video gallery, press. For example, you don't need this decorative section here. You can easily delete this one. Also this one, like you don't like it, and you can edit it how you want. Either click this button, quick edit, or double click on this section. Here you can have your elements, as you can move, change the size of the section, of this strip, basically change this text easily, just double click on it, type your text, whatever you want, change style, font, font size. You can manage these arts easily or delete them easily, and for example put another image here, just click add elements, choose image here, and you can use free Wix images, or you can upload the image from your computer here. Also, of course, you can manage your media, your photos here. You can change this background, as you can see, choose another image, or as I already said, just delete this and add new one. Also you can add section here. For example, you want to have contact section, I mean, basically easily just choose one and drop it here, for example, or in another place, and here you will have it. Of course, you can edit this like address, phone number, map. You can delete maps or manage location. Also, you can basically you need to edit this one here. Easily just select them, all of those, and delete. As you can see, you have card icon here. You can manage business, manage your products. But for this we need to return to our dashboard, because we are not ready for this one. And when you're done editing this website, you need to click this blue button, publish, to go live with your site so anyone can see it in global internet. So basically the site will be available for every user, for everyone. Or you can save this template, for example, for editing this later. You can delete this menu, for example, choose another menu here, just drag it, and also you can manage this menu basically. So in general, the site has a lot of functions, so I recommend trying to explore it yourself. The entire interface of the site, as you can see, it's very clear to any user. So guys, I think that in this video I showed you enough of the basics of using this site. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.